Hey makers, this is Yana with Mockys, and today I'm going to show you how to take your cake topper skills and create beautiful gifts. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more helpful tutorials for making cake toppers. Also, be sure to get your freebies from the link below. So here we are. What you see in front of you are obviously very big pieces. These are not cake toppers, but it's the same technique that I'm going to show you, that either you can scale to create a cake topper or make it larger to create a beautiful gift when you put it together, and you can add it inside a frame and give it to somebody you want to give it to. For example, this one I'm making for my mom for Mother's Day, and this is going to be a gift instead of being on top of a cake. Okay, well, let's get started. So what I like to do first is create all the items that are on the outside first, and then put together these offset layers. I'll put this to the side. First I'm going to work is on the flower. To make the flowers are very simple, and there is no specific way to churn them. Basically all you do is you curl them and you twist them around. Doesn't matter if you do it to the front or even to the back. These are petals, so the more natural it is, the more random, it will always look beautiful. Now that you curl all the petals, go ahead and press in the middle to kind of give that flower shape. At this point, you're just going to go ahead and glue them together. Kind of twist them so the petals are in between each one, and stack them together. Make sure you give it enough time to dry, and then go ahead and pull the petals up to give it a more 3D look. Now let's add the decorative pieces in the middle. And for this, we're gonna add a butterfly. And put it on the side somewhere. And now we have our flower complete with the butterfly, so we can set it on the side and work on the other elements. Now that we have our flower complete, we're gonna go ahead and add some leaves behind. And here we go. This portion of the flower is complete. We're gonna let it set on the side to get dry, and we continue our other elements. And now we're ready to put together the word. In this case it says mama. That's what I call my mom. I call her mama. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create some kind of dimensions so it looks more 3D. And what I'm using is these squares. If you want to see the materials that I'm using, go ahead and download our freebie with the materials. There's a link below. So what I like to do is I like to flip it over and put them on the sides and kind of in the middle to give it enough depth. Now you're just gonna align it. And press gently so it attaches to your bottom layer. Okay, and we're gonna repeat the same thing with the top layer. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it on top. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add decorative elements on top. We have these leaves right here. We're gonna put them right here. And then this is where our butterfly will go. And we're gonna put another one right here. And our flower is gonna sit on the side right here. Of course, let it dry completely. If you're using liquid glue, might take a little bit. If you're using hot glue gun, it will be a little bit faster. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more of these, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please ask those in the comments below. I'll see you soon. Bye.